What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site Upside, and I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. The link to it will be in the description. This is a cashback offer on gas. And I'm gonna show you like how easy and how much money I've made with this site, because it really is like a lifesaver. Because if you have a car, you need gas. It's just that simple. So this is probably the best app, in saving you gas. And I'm gonna show you, a few different reasons of why I really love this app. So you see, first and foremost, I have $24.95 in my account. You see there, I have a 15-cent gallon bonus included in your next offer, because I've been using this app. I'm very active on it, so they're giving me bonuses. So that's 15 extra cents. Let me show you what they're offering for the cashback offers on the gas. So like I said in my previous videos, it will always show you gas stations that are in your area. So you have to have your location on to kind of see what gas stations are close to you. Now for me, these are the gas stations that are close to me. If I go to this gas station right here, if I go to this Shell, I'll get 30 cents cash back off each gallon. Let me clear it up so you can see it real quick. 30 cents each gallon. If I go to, and it'll show you the price of the gas, right? You see it scratched out. It's $1.66 in that gas station, but with the bonus I'm only paying $1.36. So I'm getting 30 cents cash back for every gallon I put in there. If I go to this gas station, 29 cents. You know what I'm saying? It's really 157, but I'm only paying 128. If I go to this Shell gas station, 35 cents off. It's 170, but I'm only paying 135. So you'll see here different ways you can earn. It's just easy money, and over 30 plus cents for each gallon. That's very good. That's just money I'm putting back in my pocket. All you have to do is, say I want to go to this gas station, I just click claim offer. Simple as that. And they have a check-in feature where it's like you can actually put in the card that you use for gas, and you can do it that way, or you can just simply take a picture of your receipt. Probably taking a picture of your receipt is probably the best way. I've done the check-in feature sometimes, but it's like, it can be kind of, sometimes you have to submit the receipt because they don't see it in your purchase history, but it's just things like that. So like I said, let me just show you right here. If I just click check-in, but I'm not actually at that store, I'll see if I do an application now. No, I'm not at this location. Did you make a purchase already? I'll just say yes. Do you have the receipt? Yes. And then you just upload your receipt. Now you have a time frame to do. You have 4 hours. You'll see the countdown right there. So whenever you go to this, go to the gas station, you use this offer. Use this app. You get the offer, you claim it, all that kind of stuff. Get your receipt. You can get it at the pump, but what I found in doing this app is best to get your receipt in the store. So just go to the clerk and be like, can I get a receipt for, pump 3 or whatever pump you was on? Take a picture of that receipt, because the receipt that you get inside the store will always have the address on it. A lot of times you get the receipt at the pump. Sometimes it doesn't have the address on it. So you always want to make sure it has the address on it, because that's how they're going to tell that you actually went to this particular gas station. You just take a picture of it. Very simple to do. And you can always, if you don't want the offer, you can always unclaim it, which I'm not actually going to the gas station right now. I'm just showing you kind of how it works. Click on unclaim. The thing about this app, not only do you get cash back for gas, but you can also get it for restaurants. Let me show you that real quick. Again, it'll show you the restaurants that are in your area. So if I go to this Wendy's, it's closed now because it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Wendy's, they're giving me 25-cent cash back. So basically, if I go there and spend $10, I'm going to get $2.50 cash back. If I go to this Burger King, I'm getting 20 cents cash back. If I go to this Popeyes, I'm getting 15-cent cash back. 15%, not cent, but it's just that easy. You get cash back on gas and food, two things you're going to use and need every single day pretty much. So just, really get involved with this app. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. You can sign up with my link. I have a bonus offer that can actually get you 15 cents on your next gallon. You know what I'm saying? So whatever it is out there. So let me show you how this works. So again, like this gas station right here, it's 35 cents cash back. But if you click on this app, you click on this offer right here, you're going to use my code and you're going to get 15 extra cents. So that basically means you're going to get 15 cents off each gallon when you go to this gas station. 50 cents off each gallon. That's really, really good. Your gas is going to be practically nothing for what you regularly pay. So you're always going to save money on gas when using this app. That's why I really encourage you guys to use it, because like I said, if you have a car, why not use it? I never pay full price at gas stations anymore because I use this app. So again, I got $24.95. I'm going to cash it out, show you how easy it is to cash out in this site. Your money takes literally like a day to get to you. Very, very simple. Getting cash back on gas and restaurants, and soon they're going to add grocery stores. And that's really going to be big because we need groceries. Everybody has to eat. You know, restaurants and gas is cool, but when you get to grocery stores, man, it's really going to take off. But like I say, just have your location turned on, and it'll show you gas stations in your area. It'll show you how much you'll make per gallon on the cash back. Take a picture of your receipt, and it takes like maybe an hour or two for it to get into your account. I'm just going to show you my history real quick of what I've done in the past in making this app. I'll go over here, click on that, click on my history. You'll see the different places I've been to. You see here how much I've made so far in the month of May. It's the beginning of May, so I've only made 56 cents. But in April, I made $25.31, just going to different places. In March, I made $30.84. You know what I'm saying? In February, I made $47.13. I think I made a lot in January too. You know what I'm saying? How much I make in January? I made $37.59. I mean, I made a lot of money with this app. You see here, my lifetime's earnings are $209.83. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really making money. I'm really using it, getting cash back on gas, things like that. I went to this gas station right here on May 5th. It said I had an offer. Issue was found with it. Basically, that gas station was the wrong gas station I went to. I mean, that was my mistake. It was like I was just rushing around, needed gas real quick, and I went to the wrong gas station. That's why they had issues found, because the picture I took a receipt of, the receipt that I took a picture of was the wrong gas station. That's my fault. That's why, you know, got to be kind of, really observant of what gas station you're going to, because they had two very close in the same area. That's why it kind of confused me. But the thing is, if you don't really know what gas station you're going to, just like if I want to go to this gas station, just make sure you kind of put it in your GPS, or just look at the address on your receipt, whatever it is. Just make sure you're at the right gas station, so you don't have that, dumb mistake that I did. But I mean, that's it, y'all. It's easy money. Getting cash back on gas and food, you cannot beat that. So I'm gonna do my cash out real quick. I'm gonna go to cash out, and you can do different. Have lots of different gift cards you can choose from. Me, I like PayPal. You can also get a check mail to you, Walmart, Target, you know what I'm saying? Like all these different ones. So whatever you're interested in, Amazon is a big one. You know what I'm saying? Just take a look at it. Like I said, I'm gonna do PayPal right here. And you see there is no fee at all. So I'm going to just cash out my $24.95. Very, very simple. Let me put in my email address real quick so I can get paid to my PayPal account. Just trying to type this in one hand, and there we go. .com. Just make sure it's the right email, because I don't want them to send all my money to some other, email or somebody else's. Click on done. Click on continue, and I'm just gonna submit it like that. Bam! Look, 12 to 24 hours. Just that simple, y'all. So I mean, usually you'll get it the same day, but it's very, very easy to use. So just going back, and I'll show you my balance is zero. So now I got to get more gas and cash back on offers on food. So I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. Like I said, the link to this app is in the description. Use my bonus. You'll get 15 cents extra added to any offer that you choose in your first gallon. And just start racking up and start cashing out every day with this app. Save money on gas and food. You need those two anyway. Why not save money on it? All right. So like I said, all the information you need is in the description. Sign up today. If you're new to my channel, I highly encourage you guys to subscribe, because I'm always showing you guys how to make free money using these apps, using, free websites that put extra money in your pocket, so you don't have to struggle with making money, because everybody needs money. Everybody wants money. And I'm showing you guys how to do that completely free. All right. So like I said, sign up today with all the information that's in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.